मिर्ची रोटी खाना है तो यहाँ आ जाए भाई, देसी तरीके से टैंजी शेफ पे। Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are here at Tangy Chef in Brampton, and they are known for their stuffed naans, tandoori chicken biryani, and their special poutine. They have their samosa chaat, and it's in an industrial area, and usually the food in these type of areas is pretty much like street type of food, which is 100% halal. So remember the name Tangy Chef. We're gonna go inside, meet the chef inshallah, and see what this is all about. Come on in. Okay guys, it looks good.
Samosa chana chaat.
This is their samosa chana chaat.
He said it's like a Lahori taste to it. So
you're Lahori, right, Salman? You can give us a better review today.
I only got the samosa in that bite,
so you need to have a second bite, we know.
Trying to get the onions too.
Haji.
Mashallah, it's nice. I think if they put like a little bit more of the yogurt sauce in it, the chutney, that would make it a lot better. But it's still pretty nice. I'll give it like a 8 out of 10.
So if you look at the weather today, it suits the weather today, right?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, mashallah. So we have the chef, Tangy Chef. So Tangy Chef, can you introduce your original name?
My name is Nadeem Salman.
So what is this you brought in front of us? This looks something delicious.
These have been our very famous poutine since I founded the first halal Italian restaurant of Canada. And then I came up with Tangy Chef, which is my new model that basically brings in some of my Italian dishes and as well as very authentic Pakistani dishes.
Okay.
So what we have here is saffron poutine,
okay,
and peppercorn poutine.
Oh, two different poutines.
Two different poutines, okay. So
Salman, you can see this. This is their famous saffron poutine. It's hot, and that's peppercorn poutine.
That's peppercorn poutine, and I would highly recommend to try this sauce, which is very hot sauce that goes really well with these poutines.
Oh.
And we make them in-house also. These are yeah, very famous poutines.
Guy, this is Italian saffron poutine. I haven't tried anything like this before. It's cheesy, it's good, it's hot, and it's nice.
Try it with a little bit of saffron with hot sauce. See how you like that.
Okay. I don't eat hot sauce much, but Tangy Chef is saying try it. Bismillah. All the best to me. I can't eat much spicy food, but
I'll get you a bottle of water, don't worry.
okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
This would take it to another level with this hot sauce.
Okay. It's not spicy. It's tasty. It makes it more tastier. This poutine, I haven't had this is one of its kind. So maybe I would rate this 9.5 out of 10. Very good.
Okay, so I'm gonna be trying the peppercorn poutine. I saw it being prepared. I'm gonna try it. I need to take another bite.
Okay. You have the hot sauce.
It's kind of hot, bro.
If nothing, guys, just come for the poutine. Nice, beautiful weather.
Mashallah, it's nice. I like it. Let me try it with the hot sauce.
I'm gonna try this also. Very good. Auntie Salman, what do you say?
It's really nice. They have these chunks of, I believe, black pepper in it, right?
Those are the peppercorn, green
Yeah.
peppercorns, yes.
So I'll give this a 9 out of 10.
That's it. It's good. It's good. Highly recommend it. If you're in Brampton or close by, must come and try this poutine. That's it.
عز المظل السميع البصير الحكم العليم اللطيف الخبير الحليم العظيم.
So this looks pretty interesting. What is this?
So this is a very special recipe, and it is stuffed green chili, basically. So it has some stuffing in it. Very interesting. All homemade spices. I use only homemade spices. I do not use any box. And I blend all of my spices. So we're gonna grill these, and you're gonna try this, and you're gonna love this. You can have it with your stuffed naan, your plain naans. You can have it with your biryani. So this is a very good side item. We have it on our menu. It's called stuffed green chili.
Okay. Let's see, inshallah.
الباعث الشهيد الحق.
And look at this beautiful crispy potato naan, which we're gonna have soon. And look at the sesame seeds, black seeds, kalonji naan. They're gonna, I think, put a little bit butter on top of it.
الماجد الواحد الأحد.
Wah, wah.
So here's the chicken keema naan.
Chicken keema naan. I
They
think
call
they have
it
amazing
stuffed
naans,
naan.
man. They look good.
They look nice.
Okay. I don't think you need a second bite in this, right, Salman?
Oh, I need it with the chutney.
Okay, there comes chef's special. Oh, ho, 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 ho.
So remember the stuffed green chili that we made?
Yeah.
So these are the stuffed green chilies on garlic chili naan.
Wow, 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 wow.
How are we making out with the stuffed naan?
It's really nice. I really like it with the sauce, the chutney.
Yeah.
It makes it a really nice combo.
And what do you think, Nabil?
I'm waiting. I'm gonna try right now. So I'm not a mirchi person, but I think I'm being dared today. I'm gonna try this. So is it supposed to be spicy or supposed to be tasty?
Not really very much, but it has flavors.
So I'll say our desi style.
Yeah.
Break it like this.
Yeah.
Oh, ho, ho. It's nice garlic naan. Look at this.
You
Garlic
gotta get
naan.
the stuff,
I'm gonna try with the
Yeah.
stuffing now. Okay, now see,
the filling.
it's very hot. Okay, there's the stuffing inside right here. Some spices he mentioned. Bismillah. Okay. Honestly, it's not spicy, but it's very tasty and very delicious. It reminds you of back home. You know, wo roti pe mirchi rakh ke khana hai, chutney rakh ke khana. So on a beautiful weather like this or on a sunny day, this Tangy Chef is a place to come. I haven't found this type of concept anywhere in GTA. This is the first place I'm seeing in Toronto where they're serving mirchi on top of roti. Mirchi roti khana hai to yahan aate hain bhai desi tarike se Tangy Chef pe. I think Salman will try the potato naan also now. Nadeem bhai,
I
aapne
want to
to
try this as well.
oh, go ahead. Go ahead. I'll try a potato naan in the meantime. This is the raita, I think, right?
Yeah.
The best part is these are oven baked. It's not even tandoor, oven baked naan. So look at this potato stuffing inside.
And oil free.
Oil free, healthy and oil free.
Yeah. You're having like paratha without oil. And you tell me the flavors about it.
So man, you give the mirchi review till I enjoy the potato naan.
I tried the chicken stuffed chicken naan and this one, and I really like the naans and the way they're made, and I'll give it a 9 out of 10 for these two.
For me, the overall, whatever we have had at this restaurant today, overall everything, I would say 9.8 out of 10. Very good, fresh, tasty, delicious, not spicy, and the spices are well maintained, and you can see the texture and the aroma of the food also. I think we have one more item left, so we're going to try that also right now. Okay, this is the famous Tandoori chicken biryani, which we are going to try right now. It's freshly made, and everything is oven made here. He has special machines. Tandoori chicken, baked, looks hot, smells nice. Bismillah. This is the onions, chili. It's nice, soft and moist. You don't need to try it with the raita, but
Yeah,
still I'll try it. You can taste the coriander in it, dhania. And as you can see, in less than a minute, me and Salman have already taken 3 bites.
So it's nice, and it's different because usually we don't get tandoori chicken in a biryani, right? And I like this combination. And the masala of the biryani is really nice too.
You know the best part I like about Tangy Chef? It's tasty, but it's not spicy.
flavors.
Lots of flavors.
Yeah.
Good flavors. In all the food I've had, the naan, the chaat, and what else did we have? The poutine. Amazing flavors, but they weren't spicy. So this is why I would say you must come and try Tangy Chef, the one of only kind. They're in Brampton, 49 Kennedy Road South. That's the address. And we'll be telling you the promo deal soon. I'm gonna let you rate this up. It's good. It's good. Good out of good.
Good out of good.
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you.
Yeah, it's a 9.5 out of 10 for me. For sure.
It's good.
Please enjoy.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. We have the stylish, talented, multi-talented Tangy Chef. He's a mechanical engineer. He's a kitchen designer. Like he has designed state-of-the-art kitchens for many facilities. MashaAllah. Nadeem Salman. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Thank you very much. Thanks. Thank you for having me.
And plus, he's a super talented chef.
Thank you very much.
Nadeem bhai, all of this talent.
बस अल्लाह का करम है और आप जैसे भाइयों की दुआ है. Thank you so much. तो just quickly मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि I've been in the industry for 15-16 years. For those who know me, they know where I came from. We came up with the first halal Italian restaurant in Canada, and alhamdulillah उसके बाद I did some projects for other people, did some consultancy. And then recently I came up with, like, all of my experience in the last 15, 16 years that I've been in the restaurant industry, I put it together. And I answered every challenge that we had all along, whether it's the equipment challenge, consistency, staffing challenge, and all that stuff. So I've experimented and well tested at Tangy Chef.
Wow, wow. Okay, I want to know, where do you get the meat and chicken from?
So we get our meats right from Brampton Halal, because we're inside Brampton Halal, and their sources are Medina and Sargent Farms,
Okay.
and AS Halal meats for the beef products.
Okay, that's good. So I want to ask you, what I noticed in your food, mashallah, you had good flavors. They weren't spicy. Is it your own recipe, your mom's recipe?
Combination of all. To start with, I've always, ever since I came into this business, I've always used my own blends of spices. We do not use any box spices. So I obviously done a lot of research and experiments here, and then I traveled back to Pakistan when I came up with the Desi A brand, and I learned from ustads how to mix different spices. So alhamdulillah, we do not use any box spices. That's why you see very authentic flavors in anything that you've tried today.
And what are your timings?
We're closed here on Mondays, so we're open from Tuesday to Sunday from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay, mashallah.
We're on Skip the Dishes, Uber, DoorDash, and hopefully, inshallah, in the near future, we'll have our own delivery system.
Okay, so now here comes the Tangy promo. Tangy or Tangy?
Tangy.
Tangy promo, okay?
Spicy.
Which is spicy but flavorful. So you come here using our promo, NASA039. You buy their stuffed naan, any one naan. You can get their poutine, the special saffroni poutine or peppercorn poutine, 50% off. The best promo deal. Apart from this, you get anything from the menu, 15% off. This is a Tangy promo, Tangy flavor, Tangy food by Tangy Chef. Jazakallahu khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, at the end, I want to nominate the people of Brampton and GTA. You must come and try their food, especially a friend of ours in Mississauga, because anywhere we go, Asim is there to try out the food and give his reviews. So I want to nominate Asim. He was in our video at Kolachi restaurant. So Asim, you must come at Tangy Chef, try their food and their stuffed naans, and give us a review in our comment box. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tangy
Thank you
Chef.
very much, and we're looking forward to Asim's visit.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
الصمد القادر المقتدر المقدم المؤخر